So today I'm going to show you how to pull money out of your Cash App savings account. And we're going to be following along here in real time on our phone. We're currently on an iOS device. Android might look a little different. So here on the main page of our app, we're going to look at the bottom left-hand side of our screen. For us, it shows a little $10 account right over here. If you have no money in your account, this will just show a little bank icon. So we're going to click right over here. That's going to take us to our money page. And real quick, as we continue on, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to allow us to make more free content just like this. All right, so from this section over here, we're going to see where it says our savings, and you can actually see we also have $10 in our savings. So we're going to tap right over here in this section, and that's going to bring us over here to our savings account. And you can see again, we have that $10, and we want to go ahead and transfer this money out. So we're going to click on transfer out. And it's going to ask us how much we want to go ahead and pull out. And there's this little toggle here that we can go ahead and slide back and forth. Or if you go ahead and tap over here, it'll bring up the actual amount. So if you want to do, let's say like $850, you can go ahead and do so. So you can click right over here where it says move to cash balance. Do a little Face ID here for us, verifying everything, clicking on done. And as you can see here, our $8.50 came out of our savings and went directly into our cash balance right over here. And now if you want to learn how to withdraw that money from your Cash App account back into a regular account, we got a video right over here to teach you just how to do exactly that.